The next episode of Masonite API development series. I'm Yuvraj Rest, and in this video I'm going to show you what is directory does here. And yeah, that's it for this video. So let's start from here. So this is the app directory, which consists controllers, middlewares, and all the models that we create for our ORM. Inside middleware, you can create your own custom middleware. Here in models, you can do the same. Create your models. And inside controller, you can create your controller, write your own logic there and stuff. We do have another folder config. So all the configurations related to our application resides here, and you can do customization depending upon your need. So these are the configurations. So we do have configuration for mail, database, cache, broadcast, auth, application, and so on. Another folder is database, and inside database here we have two directory, migration and seeds. So this migration holds the schema of our table, all the table that we create. So this migration also helps creating versions for our database changes and stuff. So all the migrations created by you will be shown here, and here in seed, this is very helpful in order to test our application and also to feed in dummy data into our database and stuff. All the seeds that you create resides here. We have another folder, resources. As you can see, it consists of CSS and JS, which you can use in your application. And let's go to routes. So it tells by the name that it consists all of the routes that we have. This will also consist API related routes, and we'll talk about that later on another video. So inside web, you can see we have created one of our own route here, and this was the default route, and we are using get request in this path, and we are using this controller and this function. We do have storage directory here, and in there you can see public files like logo, favicon, and etc. You can also put more of your codes, scripts and styles or images or any other resources there, so that you can link these resources to your view. And we have templates. Templates is basically a directory for storing all your template files, and here we have default base HTML and maintenance HTML and welcome HTML. Let's say we have about page and you want to show about.html page, then this is the place where you create about.html and return that from here. Like let's say we have app and controller and welcome controller. So if you want to display about page, then return view.render about, and this will gonna call this page. So this page will be displayed, but before that you have to import view and about. Perfect. So that's it. We do have test directory where all of your unit test codes resides, and you can, like Masonite does have a very nice feature of this testing. And yeah, you can put all your test files here. In next video, in few other videos, we'll talk about test cases and stuff, and in that video we'll talk about everything about test cases there. So that's it. Cancel. And here we have VNB directory. So basically this is our environment, isolated environment directory, where all our packages and project related libraries are stored. this .env file is the configuration file where you can actually add your projects information, like in key and value pair. You do have environment example file and also testing file, and you do have other files. So this one is craft file. So this one is responsible for running all your craft commands. This is kernel, one of very important part of this framework, Masonite framework. This is the place where you want to register your custom middlewares and stuff. There are so many things here in our config. You do have place to do more things, but if you want your middleware to be installed, then this is the place where you can do that. And all other files, package.json, just in case if you want to add JavaScript related package, style sheet related package and stuff. This is basically for front end designing and stuff. And here we have requirements.txt file, which holds all the packages that we have in our project. So for now we have Masonite and ORM. So all these things are Python's configuration file. We have webpack mix. So this one is Laravel mix file. Masonite actually supports a Laravel mix nicely, so we do have that here. And we have server file like WSCI file, which helps us run our application properly with different server applications. And that's it for the directory structure. Based upon your project's design and stuff, you might have few more directory here around. Like let's say if you create validation rules and stuff, then you'll see rules directory here. If you create events or jobs, then you can see those similar directories here inside app. So basically all project related logics and all your custom codes will reside here inside app directory. Okay, so this was the basic intro of directory structure. This might not be that much useful for you, but as a part of this tutorial series I added this, so hope you like it. And yeah, so we'll talk about database and stuff in another video, so stay tuned and have a good day. Bye.